Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out for your courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, SAS, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, and other courses. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam, final exam. Now let's start our project to solve step by step. Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. Okay, you can see here independent project 3 to 4. I will read this instruction here. Okay, for this project you create a column chart to graph profit margin for classic garden and landscape. You also created a line chart to illustrate a break-even point in units for new catalog items. Student learning outcome file needed classic garden 3 XLS available from the start file link. Completed project file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download this file from Mintab website. You can download this file easily from your Mintab website. Okay, now you can read here. You can see this Excel file. I have also downloaded this file from a Mintab website. Okay, skill covered in this project. Skill covered in this project: create a chart object, size and position a chart object, edit and format chart elements, edit the source data for chart, build a line chart object, edit axis label and then position the legend, and then add and format grid line in a chart. Here is the step to complete the project. Okay, steps to complete the project: mark the step as checked when you completed item. Okay, open the classic garden 3 start file. If the workbook, open the protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically. Okay, to include your name, change the project file name if direct to do so your instructor and save it. Okay, basically in this question we will open the classic garden 3 start file. Click on classic garden 3 start file and then enable the editing. Okay, now question number 2 is just create a cluster column chart object for cell A4 to G9. Basically in this question we will select first this range A4 to G9 and then we will create a cluster column chart. Okay, we will select A4 to G9. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then I will select this range A4 to G9 and then I will create cluster column chart. Where is A4 to G9? A4 to G9. Okay, now moving on, insert tab and then create cluster column chart. Moving on insert tab, go to the charts group, go to the all charts, column chart, cluster column chart. Okay, cluster column chart will be inserted. Now move the chart object so that its top left corner in cell A12. Size the bottom of the chart to reach as cell H30. Basically in this question we will cut the chart and then paste is the top left corner in cell A12. Okay, and then size the bottom of the chart to H30, right click on this chart and then simply cut it, or we will move to cell A12 and then bottom H20, sorry H30, bottom of chart is H30. You can see here H30 is here. Okay, the chart will be resizing. Now point 4 is that added the chart title to display CGL gross margin in dollars on the first line. On the second line, tab by department. In the formulas bar, press option plus enter to start a new line. Basically in this question we will enter a chart title CGL gross margin in dollars. Okay, we will go to the chart and then we simply click on chart title and then we will add a chart title is here, edit title. We will remove this and then add CGL gross margin, CGL gross margin in dollars, CGL gross margin in dollars, in dollars. Okay, in the first line. On the second line, type by department. We will add a second line, type by department. By department. Okay. Now point 5 is that apply chart style 14 to the chart. Simply in this question we will apply the chart style. Okay, apply chart style 14 to the chart. Go to the chart style, click on chart, go to the chart design. Okay, in the chart style group apply 14 chart style on this chart. Okay, simply click on chart design and then go to the chart style and then apply 14 chart style. Okay, apply 14 chart style. Here is 14 chart style on this chart. Okay, now moving on, next point is point 6. Apply a PT black text 1 outline to the chart area. Okay, apply a 1 PT 1 point black text 1. Go to the format tab in the shape outline and we will apply 1 PT black text 1. Go to the weight 1 point. Okay, 1 PT black text 1, 1 PT and then black text 1. Okay, now question number 7 is that display the primary minor horizontal axis grid line. Format the major value axis grid line with a black text 1 outline color. Do not change the color for the minor grid line. The chart element drop down list identifies the grid line as vertical value axis because they track value on the vertical axis. Okay, simply we will display the primary minor horizontal axis grid line. Okay, go to the chart element and then display the primary minor vertical grid lines, primary minor vertical horizontal grid line. Format the major value axis grid line with the black text 1 color. Okay, format the black text 1 color. We will apply it. Go to the format text. Okay, format minor grid lines, format major grid line and then apply black text 1 color. Go to the black text 1 outline color, go to the gradient fill, go to the color black text 1 color. Okay, here is black text one color. I will apply black text one color. Do not change the color for the minor grid line. Okay. Question number 8 is that resize the data range to remove the design consulting data series from the chart figure 384. Okay, we will close this and then go to the chart design, go to the select data and then design consulting. Okay, we will select this, uncheck this box design consulting and then click on OK. This question is done now. Okay, I have removed the design consulting data from the chart. Now question 9 is that select cell A1 and click the break even sheet tab. Okay, select cell A1 and click the break even sheet tab. Okay, we will go to the Excel workbook. In the break even sheet tab, simply click on cell A1. Okay, now question number 10 is that review break even formula and build the data source for a line chart. Select cell B8. Okay, select cell B8. Select cell B8 and then the margin per unit is calculated by subtracting the variable cost from the sale price. Okay, price is equal to and then per unit subtracting the variable cost from the sale price. Select cell B10. The formula divides the fixed cost by the sales price minus the variable cost margin per unit. The result are rounded to show no decimal places. Click on cell B8. Okay, you can see here. Click on cell B8. The formula divides the fixed cost by sales price minus the variable cost margin per unit. The result are rounded to show no decimal places. Rounded cost sale price and then okay. Point C is that review the references and formula in row 15 to build a table for the chart and copy the formula to row 24. Review the references and formula in row 15 to build a table for the chart and copy formula to row 24. Simply we will copy the formula in row 15 and then we will paste this formula in row 24. Okay, click on row 15. Row 15 and then paste in row 24. Okay, 224. Okay, this is good now. Okay, select cell B5 and type 200. Verify that at this price the break even point is 200 units. This is the level at which the profit covers all costs. Okay, sorry, this is done now. Row 15. Okay, select cell B5 and tap 200. Click on cell B5 and then we will tap 200. Okay, verify that at this price the break even point is 200 unit. This is the level. Okay, this is the level at which the profit covers all costs. Now moving on, question number 11. Create a line chart. Select cell B14 to B C24 and E14 to F24. Simply we will go to the Excel workbook and then we will select this range B14 to C24 and E14 to F24, and then we will create a line chart. First we will select first range, okay, B14 to C24, and then second range is E14 to F24. E14 to F24 is the second range. E14 to F24 is the second range. Press Ctrl and then select second range. First range select and then press Ctrl and then select second range. Okay, first I will use this fill handle and then create complete a table. Okay, so then select B14 to C24 first range and then press Ctrl and then I will select second range E14 to F24. E14 to F24, press Ctrl and then select second range. Okay, then we will create a line chart. Go to the Insert tab and then create a 2D line chart with marker for each line. We will create a 2D line chart. Go to the Create tab, Insert tab, and then go to the Charts. Go to the All Charts 2D line chart, and then simply create a 2D line chart with markers for each line. 2D line chart with a marker. Okay, line with marker. Now position the chart object to start in cell A25 and then each H45. Okay, position the chart, go to the home tab, cut and paste in cell A25 and then H45. Reach as now you can see I have done 80% of this project. For remaining question, and if you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out for your courses. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, projects, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.